Hello, I wanna make some video about truck cleaning. There is all size rails. I will show some tricks, some ways how to clean it. Because sometimes you can order rails second hand, like I do that, and on the end you will get so dirty rails, and that can be a very big problem for some people because they don't know how to clean them. This is not only one rail. All rails what I buy, they are terribly dirty. How you see, that is not normal. I don't know who used them, but that person was very dirty. And how you see, all my rails is in terrible condition. That's why I will show you some ways how to clean them, what I use, what really helps, and what will make your rails shining. When you have a dirt like this, really, I don't know what is that. Maybe that is some paint, maybe something else. I have no idea. Really, nothing what I tried before don't help to get it off. That's why I take one of my tools, this small Dremel, and just clean off everything. This tool really helps. It takes off all dirt. I will try to show you now. We'll take some small part. Sorry for noise. Yeah, it's not very comfortable to do that, but okay. Maybe you can see difference already. Yeah, there have a difference where I clean. For now it looks a little bit black. That is from all this cleaning, dust and everything else from steel. Next step will be chemical attack. You have two options. Really, both of them works very good, but need be careful. One of the options is WD-40. How you see WD-40 for contact cleaning. Only for contact cleaning, nothing else, because another WD-40 is with some oil, and your truck, you'll just destroy your truck. Our locals will slip and can be lose signal. This contact cleaner is fast drying. It clean off all dirt and corrosion, and don't have any oil after this one. And second option is most terrible. People scared to use it, and that is acetone. Why people scared to use it? Because it can eat this plastic. How is melt plastic? Yeah, and all these small plastics will just fly out from needed places, and that's why it's pretty dangerous. But I will show you how I use it. What we take, what we have. Okay, I have a Peko. That's track cleaner, special rubber. But you can take anything. You can take just some wood brick or something, something else. Really, everything what will be a flat. What we do next? I'll show you now. 1 second. We take something clean, something like this one. Okay, not very clean, but I will show you with clean side. Or you can take some clean tissue or something else. Take that small rubber or whatever what you have. For example, plate like this one, DSP USB, how it English calls. Okay, something flat, just sorry, roll in your tissue or what you will use. See, you get a nice flat surface. And now what you need to do. Oh, I opened the bottle. It's a little bit smelly. Now what you need to do. Make it wet and carefully start clean. Yes, like that. How you see, our plastic is dry, nothing get on the plastic. All what I cleaned, that was this piece from rails. Now it's pretty clean. I don't know if you will see from this angle. It's pretty clean. You can see difference between this side and this side. Acetone was in this dirty side as well. How you can see, even acetone don't clean off this dirt. I don't know who used these rails before, but I hope that person will don't sell any rails anymore for nobody. Because this is a really nightmare. And even acetone don't wanna clean off this dirt. But this part is pretty clean. Really, you can use acetone for some small dirt as well. I will try to find something, some rail or something. I don't know, maybe this one. Yeah, this part don't look so terrible. It looks terrible, but not so terrible. I'll try to clean it off. Yeah, now it looks much better. Now it starts shining. It looks better. Not the best result, but with acetone you can take off all oils and everything else from truck as well. It's like for cleaning and take off oils. Really nice thing, especially if your rails is already cleaned before or in clean condition. Really, you can do everything with acetone, and that is pretty cheap option as well. But in my case, how you see, I need special tools. and not only same function do VD40 as well, but VD40 is more comfortable, for example, for points where there's a fish plates, because around the fish plates have lots of dirt as well. With VD40, VD40, all what you need, that is spraying that fish plate or everything around like that. Don't worry, with plastic nothing will don't happen. VD40 will don't melt it, and all what you need, that is spray on. That VD40 what will stay on the fish plates, it will keep clean everything, and it will dry off pretty quickly. But our top, what is on the top, you can just take and simply in same way turn something in tissue with flat surface, and same way just clean off, and in same time you will clean trucks. Whew. Thanks. What is next? Really about truck cleaning? I forgot. There is I think this is a Peko truck cleaner. Pretty nice thing as well. I think there's nothing special, but really it's pretty nice. For example, where is that cleaned part? Or this, yeah. For example, you have some dirt, something black, sometimes from rails or from somewhere. You can use this rubber. After all this basic normal cleaning, just walk around your truck, find the places, for example, there's something left a little bit. This rubber, you can use that like a last one. See? And rails start really shining. This part, what I clean off, I take off all oil with acetone. I take off some parts with of dirt, same with acetone, and after use this rubber, and my rails totally shining now. But after all that, what will be the best, if you will take some clean tissue or something, make sure it's dry, without any VDs, without anything, and just clean it off. Because after this rubber, how you see, left some black dirt or some, I don't know what is that, but it coming off very easy from rails. All what you need, just a little bit clean. See, second time I clean, everything is okay, and your rails will absolutely shine. If some people say don't use acetone or something like that, no, you can use it. It's a cheap. It will clean off all oils, most of the dirt. Not this one, I don't know what is that. And you can use VD40 as well. It's very nice for fish plates, for points, and don't forget, for best cleaning, put something, take some flat surface, some rubber or something, roll it in some tissue, and carefully put on the top, and just in this way clean. That is about cleaning. About cleaning, I think I finish. Next part, next thing what I will say, that is about soldering. Uh, yeah, exactly, about soldering. How you see, soldering tool. And I will try to explain some things, because again, lots of people say, no, don't do that, blah, blah, blah. If you wanna do that, then do that. I will show you everything. 1 second, I'll take the light to another place. Sorry, there is small mess. After all cleanings, I clean my rails 2 days, because you see in what condition they was. There is a part of soldering. This part about soldering is only for people who is interested to make permanent rails. Not interested to sell them, not interested to take them off or do something else. That is only for the people like me who is interested make one layout, one table for all the time. Because there is a soldering part, and how you see my rails is soldered. You see? They are soldered from both sides. That means it's soldered from there, and it's soldered from another side. Why I do that? I do that to get a better signal, because I don't want to lose a signal, I don't want to lose the power. I just solder them. This layout is permanent option. I will don't take off the rails from this table. I nail all of them. And yeah, with soldering you need to be very careful, because when you solder it's very high temperature. You can melt all plastic. From the tissue something left. That's why you need solder it very quickly. Put on solder wire, press on solder that gun, or how it calls, and that's it. Just take off straight away and you get small, nice soldered rails. Have one more thing, very important for some people. Sometimes you get a very terrible rails like I get, or sometimes can be a small problem because you don't give needed attention, and can happen very poor situations. I will try to how to put that camera. I don't know. I need 2 rails. 1 second. I will try to show you somehow. Like everyone know, rails need put in the fish plates. Yeah. And sometimes happen situations when one rail is higher than another one. That means they are not in the same level. It looks, I will do it in very poor way. One fish plate I will don't put in, but to let you understand what I mean. When rails looks like that, I hope you see. No, not so terrible like I show now, but from one side is like a small bump, and that bump can affect your local driving, and I don't think you will be very happy if loco will jump off from the rails every time. How I fix this moment, because you see I have big problems with rails, and really I make mistake as well when I don't give a needed attention. Have one pretty nice option how to fix it. Wait, this cable. How you can see on the top of my rails is a little bit soldered. See, there is a little bit part where is a soldered on the top. What I do? 1 second. I put solder on the top, same way like I solder from the side. I do the same on the top. After I take this small packer rubber, what you see before, and just carefully start clean top of the rail. It's pretty strong to take to get off from rails soldered parts as well. How you see, it's this part is flat. It's exactly going from one rail to another rail, and this small gap is filled with solder wire. After that, how I do that? My loco stop stuck in this place, because when my loco drive, that was like a boom, 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 like a booms, that's noise, and it just jumping. After that, how I do this? 1 second. This part, my loco start drive very nice. In this place, it don't hit anymore, it don't jump anymore. But small thing, what you need to know, from that side, if you will leave solder from this side, it's nothing bad, it's okay. But this side, inner side, need be cleaned off, absolutely cleaned off. Same rubber, put a little bit inside, and same way clean it. Because you have wheels, they go in inner side, and if they will stuck there, our locos and our your coaches and everything will jump off from the rails. That's why this this place need be totally clean and in same level like in rails. In this side, outer side, it's not a big problem. That can stay. It will don't affect your driving at all. But inner side need be clean and flat. Okay, now I will show you. Sorry, I don't know what happened. I start coughing. I will show you results. 1 second. After all that cleaning, what I show you, I use all that chemicals, and I will show you. 1 second. Yeah, 1 minute, please. Okay. Wait 1 minute, please. I have delivery. Sorry. I'm back. Sorry about that. There was parcel for delivery. I don't expect it so late. Yeah. How you see on my rails stay right now my Mallard, and from another side, too big table, is Tornado. And my controller. I will show you now what is the results after this cleaning. And I cleaned some 2 days ago, I think 2 days ago, and all my rails is still shining. It's very clean and absolutely don't have problems. Okay, it's time to go. 1 and second. How you can see, my locos drive perfectly, they don't stuck nowhere, they don't drop speed, they have every time one speed. That is the results of my cleaning. All what you see you can use, and especially about WD-40, if you solder your rails, WD-40 is really very good option to clean the fish plates where is the contacts in the middle. That is a very good option because it have a spray. It's spray on it and it don't leave any oil or something like that. Exactly what I do. I clean our rails, but just in case where is contacts, where is the fish plates, just in case I use the WD-40 as well, and everything works perfectly. Even lights in the locos. I mean coaches. See? See, all my lights in coaches work very nice. That means rails is very clean. I use only that what I show, nothing else. And really, that's it. Yeah, by the way, one small bonus for people who use Mallard. You see Mallard. It's tricky, loco, it like make a problems. One small hack how to fix it. You see all these points. On these points, this loco. Sometimes I like to stop. How everyone know, motor is in there on the back side. And this small part just stuck in these points and don't wanna drive. How I fix it? Have one nice way how to fix it. See, extra wedge, 3 big pieces. I stick inside in this small part. And Mallard don't stuck anymore. No, that is another loco. Yeah, he drive to one side. and low speed. That don't have a point, sorry. Point is in there. You see? Three small pieces inside, and it will stop this jokes about stopping, about stacking, because on the curves and on the points it just stuck. Maybe someone will try help this small hack who use the Mallard tricky loco, but it looks fantastic. Okay, I think that's it. I show everything about cleaning. Yeah, don't scare to use acetone, but only in that way what I show. Don't forget, it can melt a plastic only in this way. Don't try to put some tissue or something and clean it by hands in this way. Our acetone will be on the plastic. And yeah, that's it. Our race is perfectly clean. I hope this video for someone will help and your rails soon will start shine like mine. Okay, thank you.